make a demon killer, which is one of our most popular drinks at our tonic bar. It was especially a big seller during the pandemic. To make the demon killer, we're going to use some Max ET and some loquat cough syrup, which is a traditional staple in any household. So how we're going to make it is we're going to take a tablespoon of the Max ET, and we're going to take a tablespoon of the loquat syrup, and now we're going to add Spring Dragon Longevity Tea. Give it a nice stir. That is how you make a demon killer. Very easy recipe and super helpful to drink on a regular basis.